description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Rainer coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles if you wanna. And, yeah. Today's the last day of school for my kids. Pray for me. So, we got Baoji Gan Xiangwei Shizu Baobao cold noodle, and below it says Baobao Mian Pi. So it's a cold noodle like lang pi, and so we're gonna do that. And this is a weird one. It took a little bit of time to figure out the cooking instructions, even though they're actually right on the package. Yeah. But I don't know if I got the right branding or not, but this is lang pi. And so all we do, according to it, is take this and take it out of here. And then it says we rinse it. I have a feeling this is either going to go really, really great or horribly. Yeah, it's like hard as a rock. We'll see what happens. But we're going to rinse it. It's not like it wants to do anything other than be rinsed. And then it says you're supposed to microwave it for 2 minutes. The other option is to steam it. I don't have a steamer, so I'm just going to drop it in here and see what happens. It'll either work or it won't. All right. It's in the microwave, ladies and gentlemen. That's a good thing. It is cloudy and rainy outside. It's crazy. It's nice though. Tomorrow's the first day of summer, and I think it's going to be more of this. I'm okay, totally okay with it. It looks really dark out. It's a nice change. So, I don't know, even though they're having their last day of school, it's 10:47 a.m. right now. I got to be out at the bus stop to pick them up in 1 hour and 13 minutes. And then that's it. That's all. That's all there is. But, yeah. I will be reviewing over the summer, God knows when. Because that's going to be tricky. It's hard to review when your kids are all over the place and they won't be quiet. But we'll see what happens. I'm hopeful. I am very hopeful. It will go well, and if it doesn't, then you might not see me until September, but I think you'll probably see me before September. Although you will either way, because I've got episodes of this show going all the way until late October now. Today is June 20th, 2025, and yeah, what is it, like October 18th? October 20th for you? June? Okay. So to the end of July, August, September, October. And so like 4 months ahead. It's not bad. It's weird though. Because when I think about it, I'm like 170 reviews ahead as far as posts on the site. So we'll see how it goes. It usually works out fine. Okay, now, this is what I want to see. What do we have here? I've tried boiling this and having little luck. Okay, it's starting to come apart a little bit. Langpi. It's doing pretty good, to be quite honest. It's an interesting noodle. There's some videos I've seen of how they prepare this, or like actually make this noodle. It's interesting. So it's interesting. Wow, it worked. Look at that. Langpi. But I think what I got to do right now is I got to rinse it, cold water rinse it, and then add all the other stuff into it. But yeah, you kind of toss it. This is great, I must say. Baoji, Baobao. It's a great thing. And very fast, I must say. Okay. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Now, shake and rinse to prevent sticking. Yeah, so now we gotta rinse it off in the cold water. So, there's our shake. We've rinsed it in very cold water. And what do we do now? We add these liquid sachets that this one, I guess it's just water and water, salt, MSG. There's that one. There's the other one. It just goes to prove, folks, if you find yourself in a really neat Asian market, or Chinese Asian market, or whatever, if it just doesn't say anything about what it is on it that you can like scan while you're in there really quick, just get it anyways. Get all of it. Keep trying. You'll survive. I don't know. I don't understand how to make it. Dude, you're gonna have to do some research. It's okay. You'll figure it out. And then you'll understand it, and you'll have tried something new. That's the way I see it. Try something new. You're gonna live. But here it is. Look at that. Doesn't that look interesting? I'm gonna try it. That. Cheers. Mmm. It's very savory, very bouncy, very elastic. It's good. I saw a lot of videos of Chinese people talking about how much they miss having this stuff. This is popular in a region of China called Shaanxi province. They mentioned adding shredded cucumber. Let me tell you, folks, I am very poor right now. I have $12 that I can spend. And guess what? This morning, as soon as I got the kids on the bus, I raced down to the store so I could go and buy some cucumber. So I could share it with you. And this is shredded up cucumber. That's what I do for you. Oh, it might have started raining. And a little bit of crushed red pepper. And that's it. And that, wow. I could have rinsed it longer. Man, I'm all thumbs. I could have rinsed it longer and it would have been cooler. But it's quite good. I'm impressed. I will say this is the best lang pi that I've ever had. I have a feeling this is like way off balance. There you go. AI music today. Well, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is a product made in Poland for the U.S. market. This is a Ajinomoto with their Oyakata chicken teriyaki yakisoba. And this one, yeah. See, I had shredded chicken for this. I got shredded chicken for the next one. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
What do you want to do?
What the Canada?
You want to go to Canada?
Yes.
What's in Canada?
Hello Canada.
Oh, Hello Kitty's in Canada?
Yes.
I don't know if we're going to go see Hello Kitty. We might. You like Canada, huh?